In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add products to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add products. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. If your website has an online store, open the Store or Products section from the editor. Click Add Product to create a new product. Enter your product details, including the product name, price, description, and any other information you want customers to see. Upload one or more product images to showcase the item. If needed, add options such as different sizes, colors, or inventory details. You can also configure shipping, taxes, and product visibility depending on your store settings. Once you've finished entering the product information, save your changes and preview the product page to make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with the result, publish your website so your new product is available to your customers. That's how to add products to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.